Hi, my name is Jennifer and I run the jennifermaker.com DIY and craft blog. So why did I take this course? I first heard about it last fall and I was so excited about the idea and then bummed out when I found out it was only open for a few days in February. So I've been waiting ever since then to take this. Basically, I'm ready to take my blog to the next level. I started this blog that I have right now as a mom blog, and then I sort of didn't really post too much on it, but in September of last year I resurrected it and I decided to make it a craft blog because I love making things. So I have improved it vastly since it was just a languishing mom blog, but I know I can do a lot better. So I am taking this course so that I can learn how to improve my blog, improve my message, reach more people. These are really important things to me. What am I most frustrated with right now? I think that, like many people, it's frustrating to not being able to have the hordes of people coming to your site that you think should be coming because you're making amazing things, right? So my traffic isn't terrible, but I would love it to be much, much better. My goal is to reach 100,000 page views by the end of 2017. So far, I am on track to make it, but I'm worried about, as each month goes and I have a bigger and bigger goal, will I actually be able to sustain the traffic that I have found, and will I be able to reach my goal? One of the things I'm getting traffic from right now are things like Facebook posts or viral pins, which are not things that you can count on. I need more consistent daily traffic that I can build upon, so that those special things like viral things are just special little bump ups, that sort of thing. And what am I hoping to learn? Well, in addition to learning how to grow my traffic, I'm hoping to learn how to monetize my blog better. Right now, I'm using ads and affiliate sales, both of which are just so, right? And I know I could do so much better with this. And I'm really looking forward to learning how to utilize these tools more effectively. And ultimately, my goal with having more traffic and better monetization is to be able to reach my readers better and do more amazing things with them and for them, because this is my jam. I absolutely love sharing what I do. This is what I want to be doing with my life. It basically is what I already do because this is my hobby, hopefully to become a business. But on the flip side, I already run a corporation of travel guides, and I've been doing that for 20 years, and I really like it. But I need something that's for me, just my thing, my little thing. So I'm really excited to work through this course. I plan to go through it very thoroughly and take it slow and do everything, absolutely everything. I've already started. My blog was named genuinemom.com for 3 years, and even after I resurrected it, I kept that name because I really liked it and it was personal, which is what I feel blogging is. It's a personal experience. But after watching Unit 1 and Ruth saying that we really shouldn't have misspellings in our domain name, and my domain is spelled with a J because my name is Jennifer instead of a G, which is how you would normally spell genuine, I decided it was time to change it. So I changed it to what is essentially my name. So Jennifer, my normal last name is taken, so I can't use that as a domain. So I picked one. I basically picked an artist name, which is what I am at my core. So I changed my domain to jennifermarx.com. I'm sorry, that's not right. That's my name. I changed my domain. I just changed it yesterday, so I'm still getting used to it. I changed my domain to jennifermaker.com because I am a maker. And the cool thing about it is that not only is it a name, but it also gives a really strong hint as to what my blog, what my website is all about, making things. So I'm so excited to work on this course and getting to know my fellow students and learning things and actually putting them to work on my blog. Thank you for listening.